Flipkart's #1 in market and fashion, #1 in mobile, #2 in electronics, #1 in large appliances. This gives Walmart one of the biggest growth markets, so we know that. And it's not where Amazon is. And Amazon did offer, as I understand it, $2 billion more. And they said no.
Why?
Yes. Amazon wanted this property.
No, why would they say no?
Because it's 2 ex-Amazon guys at the top, and they were happy to throw it to Walmart.
Really?
Yes.
$2 billion more?
That's my understanding.
Why is the stock down? Why is Walmart's stock getting hit on
Pay
this?
$16 billion. It's a lot of money.
It's a big number. It's a big number for 77%. I don't know what the numbers. I mean, I don't know what the profitability or lack thereof of this company looks like.
David, you have to. It's more of an ethos than it is an earnings.
Yes, that's what
okay. I mean, I think David's constrained by the 4 walls of the spreadsheet. This is about owning a market, David, and that's exactly what the shareholders don't want.
On the market cap being erased today, almost the value of the deal. Others are saying, look, international is very tricky. Even Chamath Palihapitiya on Squawk this morning said the way engineers hop from company to company over there is more torrid than even in the Valley. And Walmart is still, you know, majority U.S.
Look, I think Walmart is a family-run business that has decided they are not going to cede another inch to Amazon. This is anti-Death Star. I hear it all the time. I was with Etsy this morning over in Brooklyn. There are PayPal this weekend with Dan Schulman. People are now saying, you know what? It has to be stopped. It cannot be, we cannot let it take over the world.
Does it need to be like that movie you like then? All the superheroes need to get together to stop the Death Star?
The Avengers Infinity.
Yeah. Is that what has to happen? They all have to align together?
On the conference call, they talked about how it may not scale because of how many superheroes were in that. Cost of superheroes
we'll get to
are going up, David.
I didn't mean
David,
to take
the cost of superheroes?
Yes.
Going higher.
Going higher.
Yeah. Freight's higher, oil's higher, superheroes higher.
Walmart's, Carl pointed it out, they are still largely domestic, even though they've been trying for a long time.
They've been trying.
With mixed results. But they do seem to be taking another shot at sort of rationalizing a lot of their international at this point.
Right.
Actively managing that portfolio. Don't forget they did this deal with Sainsbury just last week, right?
Right. That was a good deal for them in terms of trying to stem things.
So, you know, but they have had a, mixed, to be fair,
David,
mixed performance in international markets. And I've been over to China a couple times where as they were trying to build that business, Doug McMillon, of course, ran international for the company.
Well, David, I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
Why is it that Amazon, Netflix, allowed to spend all they want? Netflix, the call. Hey, you know what? We were going to spend $6 billion. No, we're going to spend $8 billion. Original content. Why are we willing to give a pass to some companies? Tesla, let them spend as much. Netflix, as much as Amazon. But then a great company like Walmart, family run, they spend, and suddenly we don't like it? What's the dichotomy here?
It's a different shareholder base that's been with them for a longer period of time, right?
Well,
I mean, don't you think? Amazon started with a narrative from day one. Look at his first annual report letter.
Right.
Future cash flows. That's what we're about securing.
The companies you mentioned are call options on growth.
Wow.
They're not about discounting cash flow over time.
But if you can own India, how many times have we listened to Tim Cook from Apple say, we are going to be big in India? Now, that statistic, the frequency that people move around, that's difficult because we'll see this morning Facebook shake up, and it's kind of like, wow,
but I like
shake up.
I think your theme about different companies starting to sort of say no more and pushing back against Amazon is interesting.
Right, like the fires in the living room now.
You know?
I mean, PayPal was
whether
saying,
or not it's coordinated, which I doubt it is, but simply they're all making the same decision.
They are. I mean, the PayPal was saying the idea that Amazon's going to give a discount to merchants, and merchants are therefore going to want to use their card. When what Amazon does, I learned from a documentary that Amazon takes its partners and learns from them and then tries to put them out of business. Do you know what documentary that was?
I do.
The best one he ever did, other than the age of Walmart.
He should do about the 60s.
I like my other one too. On the house, the one on the
Norfolk,
crisis.
when you went to Norway?
Norway?
Yeah, you in the Olympics went to Norway. This is an extraordinary time. When you have Etsy saying there is a rebellion against Amazon, I am telling you the force is not with Amazon.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.